How to make money in the stock market for beginners India. If you have made up your mind to enter into stock market trading, you no longer need to search around for stockbrokers. Register yourself in an online share trading platform, open a free trading account, and there you are ready to invest. Online trading platforms have experienced share brokers who are equipped with all the basics of trading. They can rightly guide you towards your investment plans, though it rests upon you to give the green signal whether to buy the recommended share or not. Offline trading is still followed, but not almost as equally in the tempo of the online mode. In such a case, you will have to get in touch with a share broker. The procedure is the same as in online trading, except that paperwork is involved. You may not have the facility to open a free trading account. Moreover, you will have to submit a number of documents like address proof, PAN card, etc. Experts who are into online trading have gained some experience in offline trading, and they are now well aware of the intricacies involved. With the internet serving as a platform for online trading as well as educating investors about the nuances of the stock market, it has become easy to find top brokers in India instantly. There are stockbrokers who may be new to the stock market, and there are others who have years of experience behind them. These experienced share brokers are the source of success for many big investors who have witnessed growth at a stretch. Most of the top brokers in India give expert advice and tips via online trading brokerage platforms. These brokerage pedestals not only carry information about what is happening in the stock market, including the performance of BSE, NSE and other smaller stock exchanges, but also educate investors about the basics of trading. They also serve as a platform for investors to open trading accounts and facilitate their trading online. Getting in touch with top brokers requires only a few seconds, and in no time you can be guided on how to start your trading if you are a beginner. Investors who have years of trading experience can also register themselves in an online trading platform to boost up their already achieved targets. Further, it is patience and a will to learn about the stock market, as well as the ability to decipher the pros and cons of a share, that a novice investor can climb up the ladder in the stock trading world. To open a free trading account, you will have to take the services of a share broker who will handle your transactions. A trading account is like a bank account. You will have to deposit enough money required for the buying of shares. Once you buy a share, the money will be automatically used for the transaction purpose, and if you gain profits from that share, the amount gets credited.